Gotta jump in real quick with the voiceover. Target was not letting up with the music, but this is Jungalow. I love the Jungalow collection at Target. Everything about it. She always has these beautiful colors. So I just wanted to say that on this clip, and then we're going to jump back into the music and take a look at what else she has in store for us. I am going into, I don't know if y'all can see that over there, Sam's Club. And when I tell you, it does not matter what day or what time of day you go to Sam's Club, it's gonna be 200 people in the store. I need to get some detergent from here. I don't come, dang it, I left my, oh gosh, I gotta get my member card on my phone. I'll be back. And the way we have to get these cards, I mean, I hope I can get this one up front. I cannot. So I got to go over to the street because this one is blocked. And the one from the back, I would have had to walk down the street. Oh my. There might be some up here. Yeah, there are some in here. So I just walked in and they have these nice planters. I need one. I want it a little bit bigger than that though. These are huge, the round ones. We probably could use. I need something for my tomato plant and a taller tree. So I like these. I have some nice ones. Garden center type area is in the front. They may have more in the back, I don't know, but you do see this up here. Calla lilies. Calla lily bulbs, $15.48. I wouldn't mind getting those. Elevated garden bed. Pre-planted bulbs. Elephant ears, that's something I do not need. I have planted elephant ears. Bushel and berries. Ooh, I would like to have some berries. $19.98. Some of their inflatables, an inflatable fire hydrant sprinkler, a floating island, basketball, and there are those balloons that were $40 in Costco last night. Okay, this pergola is $17.99, which is how much it was at Costco. And now Costco has it on sale. And then here's some outdoor furniture. That's really nice. $9.99 for this 4-piece set. The table, the little, I guess that's a love seat, and the 2 chairs. This one. These cushions look like they could go indoors, although, I mean, I know they're outdoor. This one is $24.99, and it's also a 4-piece set. And they're showing, I guess it comes with the covers. There's a nice lantern back there. some outdoor pillows. I likely need some more pillows. I don't want to buy pillows right now. Some outdoor rugs. Then here's a little more furniture. $9.99 for this 3-piece set. And this one is $32.99. It comes with the fire pit and the covers. This one's really nice. And this pergola 10 by 10 is $9.99. Let's go look at some more summer stuff. Signals is also, I don't know if they have, well, I doubt if it's more stuff, but it's also just, the aisles are so much smaller, so it's hard to, we've got some hyacinth clubs, so it's hard to like maneuver around and record. Well, and it is like 10, 20, 10, 30. So maybe that is kind of late to be trying to record without so many people. That wreath matches the flowers that I'm loving right now. Let's see. How much is it? $39.98. I just never want to pay that much for a wreath. And I guess that's probably the price of them. It's pretty. It's plain, but it's pretty. What is it? The hedge plant. Oh, that's... Okay, we can put that on the fence. How much? 10. I'm just showing some of the stuff they have in here. The camping event that says it's like a table and 2 chairs. That would be nice to have for activities and stuff. It's $80. Like queen Intex inflatable mattress. Daybed mattress. What was that saying? Oh, headboard, air bed. Okay. And a portable hammock, and then there's both of those inflated. Or alright, these 2-pack baskets are saying clearance, $15.98. This is a nice size. I wonder if I could put like 4 of these in the pantry on each shelf and call it a day. Like, would that be easier? That's the thought I have about that. Oh, $9.48 for these is good. I don't know if I should just get another one, just because we always need the stuff like this. Oh, I didn't see this. Scott Brothers. Oh, so Scott Living closet organizer for $2.50. Let me see if I want to get one of these. I'll be back. So, oh look, they have some Adidas in here. I think we're not buying Adidas. I think, right? Okay. So here's another thing I like to look at in here are their clothes. I don't need any of these small kids apparel stuff. Character. That's cute. $15.98 for character play sets. Encanto and Minnie. I got Spider-Man. And is that Paw Patrol? $19.98 for bathing suits. $26.98 with the shorts. were some pants I was looking at online. I don't know if it was these. I've been really liking the gathered leg or whatever you call it. But now I'm kind of wanting to get away from that, and I want it to be a bit more straight. But these are $16.98. Here are a few dresses and slim fit, Members Mark slim fit pants are $6.81, and the favorite soft top is $7.81. I do not need this. But I'd have a set for $13, $14, $60, something like that. Okay, so I did pick up this thing in green. And it's a workout active tee that's likely this one. $7.98, and then they have some shorts. They have some Gap and Bandolino. No, this is Standard, Social Standard by Sanctuary. I think I saw Bandolino. Oh, these pants are Bandolino. But here are the shorts. I kind of like these. I have a couple pair of shorts like that though, that I haven't worn in the last couple years. And then here are some. Yeah, these fleece shorts, and these are also shorts. And then they have the logo tees, and they're both $12.98. And then they have this summer dress, $16.98. There's this multicolor. We've got black and blue. Look at this down alternative comforter. $39.98 for the king and $29.98 for queen. This is soft Yellowstone authentic merchandise. I know several people like that show, Yellowstone. Never seen an episode, but I've heard good things. Oh, look at this. This is nice. This is a pretty color. So is this one. gray and green. Of course, I like the green better. I think I'm gonna go with green. But I have green. I don't know if I should get this. I don't think I should get this. I think I'm gonna put this back. Some sheet sets, that's $11.48. They're on clearance, man. To unbox today. First off, the microphone that will hopefully help with my audio quality for the videos, and then these canisters that I got from Aldi. Okay, so let's jump into unboxing this microphone. I think I got the one that has two in the box, but maybe not, so we'll see. And this is the wireless lavalier microphone. I ordered it from Amazon. Yeah, there are two here. So here's one. So I'll likely be clipping this on. There are two of them. And then it also has a, come on out of there. It also has a charging port, a USB. I guess to charge so that I can clip them on. There's a little battery inside. Yep, and then of course here is the user manual. So hopefully we can get some even better audio. Moving on, let's unbox these Coastal ceramic canisters that I got from Aldi. I have this, the good thing is a lot of the green that I have I did get from Aldi in my kitchen, but then I did get some other things from Target that is kind of in this same family, and they are now all together, so spread around the kitchen the color looks about the same. So yeah, I really like this color. So let's get into the box. They have this, how do you say, is it focaccia? I don't know, a wooden wooden top. Do it this way. Oh, I'll still do that again to get the small one out. So there are two in here. Same top, lid, top, whatever you want to call it, lid. But I think like these are not like super heavy, but like a great weight, to where it does really seem like it's good quality. And I have definitely found, I bought a lot of things from Aldi, and I found that their stuff is good quality. So it's April, and I probably bought these in, well, I actually bought them in March, sometime in March, but they were down to be clearanced. So they probably came to the store in February, maybe even late January, probably February. Anyway, but yeah, if you can find these in your store, if you see them in your store, they actually also have another one that's not in a box. It's much larger, but they come in the same colors that these do. And I think these were in purple and this green color. So I think I scored a nice deal with getting these. So if you see them in your store, do be sure to pick them up if you have a use for them. And with that, I am going to end today's vlog here. Thank you so very much for watching, and do remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed what you saw today. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.